I will say that this ordeal with things like this engine, you go, it should fit, it does fit, no, it's not an easy fit. Now I need the room, but I can't drive this car until this brakes are working, so the brakes have got to be done. So I might have another go at those things. You've had over an hour of video here, and this is going to be chopped up, so stop. Start again. Hello there. Hello there. We got a problem. Yeah, we got a lot of problems. Alright, sorry about that. That wasn't me. That was someone else talking. I will say that, and I'm going to say it in a sort of thing, I haven't got enough room, so I need to do the things I can do. But I need to do things that interest me. Now this, today, after my cousin's death yesterday, I didn't want to do anything. But I got the manifolds off. I've got 2 studs to drill out, which I will do. And at the moment, and I'm telling you this, I'd rather just hear that engine try and fire and run. Just life. Because that's what we haven't got anymore. Too many people dying and not enough things living. So, I got that one living. She lives. You'll see that video. And this one's not. Now, I know she will. And I'm not really too fussed about that, because I know she will. But I will say that it's very hard. It's very hard to keep enthusiastic. And for all you people going, oh yeah, well I don't drink so much. Yeah. Do you know what, guys? You know what I'd say to you? Is don't eat too much. Don't exercise too much. Don't try and stay so healthy. Don't try and do all the things. Don't have too many children. Don't be the best mum or dad in the world. Because you know what, mate? It's going to come back and bite you in the ass. You come in this world with nothing, you go out with nothing. And the reality is what you leave is yours, not anyone else's. So, from my own experience of this crap, I will say, I don't feel like boasting this one, you've got to always look on the bright side of bummers. Da-da, 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 da-da. Because really, guys, because all we got, this is it. None of this means a difference. I had some horrible dreams last night. And these dreams were dreams which were dreams that, you just think about. You remember the past, you remember the good things, the bad things, the sad things. And you realise you can never ever have those things again. So let's be realistic about this. This is a bit of a rant. I know it is. But it's my rant, guys. And the one thing, someone told me today on the phone, they said, you upload all that crap, I have become immortal! Become the destroyer of cars! Sorry, that didn't come out too well, did it? Sorry, anyway, no. Look, what I say is this whole thing with these cars, they're my old cars and I love them. I want to do them, I want to do them, and I'm pushing myself to do them. And if I get enough time, I'm going to do them. If I get enough time, I'm going to clear the shed again. Look, I laughed. I let the bloody ramp down and land on that bloody pipe. Anyway, sorry. I've got to go get the exhaust. I'm going to cut that exhaust. I'm sorry, I told you about it, didn't I? I thought I might go get it now, actually. I've got to do something now. Right, done. Sorry about that. I'm going to say to you. So, you and I, you, me and the gatepost, we're going to go on a fantastical journey. Is that right? What's that you got? What do they call it? A magical mystery tour. Is that right? Do you want to call it a magical mystery tour? Right, okay. Now, the magical mystery tour I'm going to take you on doesn't include any of that crap. Doesn't include any of this. My children will probably, or my daughter or son will probably not edit this, and they'll cut all this crap out because your battery's about to go anyway, so you might miss a lot of it anyway. But We are going to this, we're going to go somewhere. We're going to somewhere where hiding is what we need. So we're going to go down here. We're going to go along here. Right next to the gravel. Yeah, well, hey. I watched people who had gravel turn to tarmac, turn to the big sheds. You recognise that old girl? Yeah. Yeah, there she is, my babe. Loose connection on the starter motor. Well, we'll know. Just start her up again. Anyway, got some more hidden stuff in there. We won't talk about that, because those are on their side. Nobody sides with them. These are some interesting sheds. You have no idea what's hiding in there. That's something that Rich and Ham and I have got in common. Except mine's only got 16,000 miles on it from you. So anyway, sorry, that's just been a bit boastful. I'm taking that back and I apologise unreservedly. Coming up here we've got the last surviving 91 XJ6, which unfortunately his number is sealed because I've done the ignition column out of it. So she's going to be dead. She's going to scrap. I will say the bonnet's perfect, the boot is perfect. There's one big problem with the car. Everyone said to me, I actually hate cars that you have to pay road tax on. So it's a bit of one of those things where, why should I pay road tax on something? Well, I don't need to. Anyway, in here, apart from lots of tree roots and lots of trip hazards, we're going to try, lean over. God. Right, okay, stop, can't get it. Oh, you to me. Oh, come on, guys. I mean, this is absolutely bloody ridiculous. Right, okay, taking you. Right, if I can get that light switch. Aha! Blackpool illumination. Right, guys. So, we had this conversation. When I said to you, do you have any Jacko bits? And I went, nah, I don't have anything. Well, let me give you a clue. Do you think, I got no bits? Nah, nothing. I ain't got nothing. This is only a percentage of the nothing that I got for Jackos. But I don't really matter, because, you think, what are they? What are they? I don't know. But you come in here and you see this. Now this is the problem. It's not what I thought. And I've got to mean it. It isn't what I thought. Look. It isn't what I thought. It's a 2-in-1 system. I haven't got a 2-in-1. I've got not a 2-in-1 system. So, yeah, alright, so we go. Yeah, alright. Ain't gonna work, is it? So where's the wire door? Oh, you can see this, can you see this? When I said to you about OCD, you've no idea. I should open a YouTube shop selling. I should not say things. I shouldn't be here. I should have done a lot. I sat waiting for thinking life was going to be great because I was bringing up my children. Yeah, well, that didn't work out well for me. So, brought them up. Lovely kids. But, no. The reality of it, the biggest thing I haven't got, and I think you've all come to the conclusion of this, is I haven't got any bloody exhaust pipe. Right, so, now look. We are going to, and I'm going to, if you can see this, you might not because you've got enough light. Hiding in there is a 3 litre CSI. But I've got a really nice 3 litre CSI there, and I've got a 3 litre CSI there. So, I am going to get one of these bloody 3 litre CSIs out. So I'm not going to show you because, you know what, I think you've seen too much. You've seen too much. You don't need this much information about a hoarder. And I think what you ought to do is wait and subscribe and give me thumbs up and I don't know what else, what all these craps on. But do all that crap to my channel and you are going to see things that you think that people didn't ever keep or didn't collect. I will point out something to you. That I'm probably a dinosaur. And the dinosaurs kept the stuff until they became extinct. And the coronavirus is making me extinct. So I'm going to say to you now, and I'm going to tell you this from my heart, whatever I do, whatever happens, whatever I make, whatever I manufacture, whatever I try to do, right, I'm doing it because I got it, it's here, I can. If the world ever comes back to normal, which I don't know, but if it does, when it comes back to normal, people are going to want to be free, they're going to want to be different, and they're going to want to be something. They're all going to want to be sheep. And I'll tell you that when it comes back to normal, and people decide that they don't want to be sheep anymore, and they're all going to try and be individual, then yeah, you're right. The survivors will want Mark 1 Capris. Some of them want escorts. Some of them will want RS2000s. But some of them might have a bit of taste and want an Aston Martin. Which means that, in my experience, those Aston Martins have got to survive. If they don't, then, well then, this is all a waste of time, isn't it? So, I'm going to say to you guys, I've had enough. I really have had enough. I went out there, you went into a shed that you've never seen. That was just one shed, but you went into a shed you never saw. We found the exhaust system, which we can't cut up because it's 2-in-1. So we're going to have to make this out of what we've got. So, I'm going to make it out of the original TR8 system. I'm going to go, open and go. The 2 pipes come down. I'm going to go 2 back boxes from the TR8 up over the back, and the TR8 Aston, obviously. That'll be fine. Come on, guys. I was only looking for an exhaust system for a car that you've not even really heard much about. Because there's a whole trilogy of part 1, part 2, part 7.5, part. And that's a lot of videos. I mean, I'm telling you, there's a lot of videos. So you don't want to watch them, don't watch them. Because I'll tell you what, I couldn't. I did the bloody work. But the world has changed. So when I did it for one reason, the world is now different. So maybe I'm doing it for another reason. I don't know. But I'm going to say that in this situation we're in, we're going to make the best of it. And I said in one of those videos I did, which was, if I'm going to isolate, I'm going to isolate my own shed. Well, hey, my shed's starting to become pretty depressing, to be honest, mate. This could not be it. I'm getting, when my cousin died yesterday, I suddenly seemed to become more mortal. I seemed to become more human. I just became more sad. I became really sad. Because I realised that actually all this is just a joke, isn't it? We're here on this stinking planet for a few years to do what we think is great. And we're here. We're here. Actually, this here. all heard that. I know you did. So don't pretend you did. Don't try and pretend to me you never heard that right. Alright, didn't remember. But let me just say, there's no fuel going into it. It's full of oil. I've just jerry-rigged it and it's run on a flick switch on a battery. And it fired and it started to run. So, yeah, hey. She's alright. She'll run. She'll be good. I will get her running, I know, after this 1 hour, 60 minute long vlog of bollocks. But anyway, guys, sorry to talk shit, but yeah, she'll run. And the thing that you can see on the right hand side, she's got to get out of my shed. I have had enough of it. Do you want one? Alright, I've had a drink, but I don't care. Right, come over here then, guys. And look at this. Look at this for an ordeal. Can you see this? I'll put you something here. Can you see this? Right, we got some oil lubricant, right? Right, we got my pellet drill. Pellet drill. She's sweet this. Right. You watching this? Forget how we go here. Pull the great thing down there. I've got to make 4 of these. Now this steel. You kidding me? Yeah. What can I say? I sort of spray a bit of oil on it. I hope it's going to hurt it. Yeah, I think you're getting a mess, aren't you? Look at this. This is a fucking HS rubbish cobalt drill. Now, I've been drilling for days. Look at those. You're telling me that's going to work? You're telling me that I'm going to drill through that stuff? Give you a bloody drill. Yeah. Getting this? I'm going to chop this video up a lot, you know. There's going to be some fucking cuts and jobs there. Like I say, whenever I get through this, I don't know how we get through it. Oh God. Not even fucking close. I mean, the problem I've got, and I'm going to say this now, this metal is so strong. I know what it is. It's not, I wish it'd be aluminium or something. Wish it'd be aluminium. You see, it's no good. I can't do it through it. It's like drilling through bloody concrete.